Lois Mona Lisa say, Oga, go and sleep. Why are you awake? You dey Allen Junction, they find customer for this time of the night, abi. You and your mama dey junction. Ẹ ṣe gbélé pa ó lọ́sàn. Ẹ ṣe olóṣù lálẹ́. Wèrè lóhùn Mona Lisa, ayé ẹ̀ ò ní dá. I should go and sleep. What are you doing awake on my life? You no go better for your papa. So, I'm not going to waste your time anyway today because I'm both stressed and pissed. Please, how did candlelight for MohBad turn into peaceful protest? Explain to me. Somebody in my estate came back from the candlelight and told me about how it went. Only for me to lie down and sleep a bit and wake up about an hour ago and see that they don't turn them to protest, police don't dey tear gas. Why una no like to hear word? Why una no like to hear word? Someone said, let's see your watch, please. Oh, yeah. It's a Cartier Santos Diamonds by My Livelihood. Someone said, thought you're a pastor. Why the cussing? Galatians chapter 3, verse 1. O foolish Galatians, who has bewitched you? Paul calls one whole nation way stupid. If you come my life, come stupid. John chapter 2, Christ entered temple with cane. Some of you need cane. But I'm leaving that matter for later. Let's talk about... I was reading Dotun's post because Dotun was, should I say, the MC? Let me go there. D-O to the T-U-N. If you're watching on TikTok, double-click the screen, double-click the screen. It was on his story, I think. You can see the whole candle lit, R.I.P. MohBad. Then, I'm watching his page, then he gets to... Then he tweeted. I can't find the tweet again, but I know he's on Ed Not's page. It says, honesty over honesty, Nigerians do not listen. We do the most. The procession ended at Muri-Okola Park over 3 hours ago. We ended and all left. Some still went to converge at the Lekki toll gate. It's not a protest, it's a candlelight procession. Someone said that was not the peaceful event. People, instead of going home, when Dotun announced, went to the toll gate instead. Davido was the last speaker and Dotun told everybody, go home. Shakir said, those people, they craze. Waiting there they do for toll gate. Event finished at the park, and instead of you to go home, you went to the toll gate and blocked it. I spent an hour there before I turned back. Everything mustn't end in an after party. People that left at 8 to 9 are home and safe and sound. Una kukuma know the kind country where we dey. Before we can have any conversation, we have to have this conversation. Simba, thank you for sending me a money gun. Nigerian police officers, I don't see anything wrong with using tear gas to disperse a crowd. I'm so sorry. Because una know they think. Nigerians, they hungry. You won't start protest. May they begin loot the remaining shop where remain. It's like una know they think. It's like una know they think. Do you guys remember what happened in NSAS? I live down the road from the toll gate. Oh, Lai Andy sent me balloons. Thank you so much, Lai Andy. Thank you so much. Guys, follow Lai Andy. That's my number one giver. Isi Andy. It's like when I know they think. This country is so fragile right now. What are you protesting for? Explain to me what you are protesting for. What are you protesting for? Jobless people. Somebody say, share you na government, you like talking for everybody. Tolimani alokpo nuni daddy and lay your father for house, stupid. Your father for house, stupid. Saying born goat. Say in sleep with elede, come born ewure. A year need that. Get up, Jordano. You want me to sit down and lie to you? Can we talk about the hypocrisy in this a little bit? Can we touch on the hypocrisy? I saw one pastor who bullied me because I told them that tithe was a wrong doctrine and I gave enough biblical evidence and proof. And all of a sudden now they are complaining about a boy that was bullied. All the record, because I've not had time to start mentioning names one by one. Your time they come, no worry. All the record label that bullied all their small artists to the point where the artists ran for their life. You two are there. Oh, the fake. Can we talk about the fake love? Can we talk about, as in, are you looking out at the country you are in? Can you see how fragile this country is right now? There are some businesses that did not survive after NSAS. I was reading today that they want to sell Novari Mall. They want to sell some of the malls, and maybe I'm wrong with Novari Mall, I don't know. Do you know that after NSAS, Lekki, ShopRite, Jakonde took 2 years to be built back? I want to ask you, was Jakonde ShopRite owned by police? The people whose businesses were there and were looted, how were they compensated? Then you want to start another one. Let's even imagine that you have a real, genuine reason to start a protest. It's even understandable. What? They finished the candlelight procession. Davido said go home. Dotun said go home. Why are you converging at the toll gate to create nuisance? Let's talk. Let me tell you something. You can never like me in this life because I will tell you the truth. As in jobless and brainless. Jobless and brainless. Tomorrow you say you want to hold candlelight procession. Government go say lie, you know fit. If I was the government looking at the state of the economy, looking at the state of the country, is another anarchy that I want to befall. They sprayed me tear gas. What are you doing when they said you should the protest is the procession is over and they say you should go home? What are you doing outside? Must everything end in an after party? This is one of the same issues I had with NSAS. Musician will never sing album in 10 years. All of a sudden, don't see platform where you can't sing. They can't lock the whole toll gate. All sorts of artists coming out. At the end of the day, you lost the reason why you are there. It was no longer about police brutality. It was about promoting artists. Someone said you can never get approval for anything like this again in Lagos. And I don't disagree with them. Someone said, why should people not protest? You don't have sense. Yemiski. You don't have sense. And it's not you. It's in your DNA. Your papa not get. Your mama not get. How you want to get? Waiting your papa not get. Your grandpa not get. Your mama papa. Your papa. They not get. You want to get. How? Why should they protest? The last 3 protests in Nigeria, how did they end? It's like that part of people's brain that helped them relate with reality. Your own is missing. Explain to me. Why are they protesting about? What are they protesting about? Somebody said, you all should be thankful for the people there. You should thank God that they made it home. Say not only tear gas they give them. You think any government wants the madness that happened? Do you realize that some people never recovered? Do you know how many people lost their lives? Forget the toll gate in the aftermath of the looting and the free for all in a country that does not, people are not thinking. Somebody said, it's normal to protest if things are not normal or wrong. I agree. But when abnormal people want to protest normally, is wrong. The problem is not the protest. The problem is the hoodlums that will hijack it. And I thank God that they did not hijack it today. You people don't think. That's your problem. Enronu. Which one is after party, after possession? As in, una not get work, una not get where una they resume tomorrow. Protest in the day, even if you want to protest, and then go home. You want to go and occupy the toll gate again. It's like you don't remember things. They tear gassed me. They said go home. It is over. Go home. They've announced it. But then you decided. Mafi's Vibes says, Daddy, what's your job? Why don't you ask your father at home what his job is? This is my job. And let me break it down to you. My job pays me better than every male in your family. Join their salary together. Every male in your extended family. All your grandfather's male children. And all your grandmother's male children on both sides of the family. You... stupid. What's your job? Otumberry. Miss Feel Vibes. See the name you gave yourself. Why don't you call yourself your real name, Miss Olosho Vibes? Oshegbele Paoloson. Obosi titi lale ni gbangba. One of my man any 250, 180. Now you be the only Olosho where I see for this life where they hold 20 naira change. Because they go price you from that 200 where they ask, they go price you down to 180. Only what's my job? What's your mother's work? I hear onida. Jakuro lori live mi olori buruku. When said they shoot again, please, what was she doing on the road? What was she doing on the road? Why did they not shoot any girl yesterday? Why did they not shoot any girl the day before yesterday? They close candlelight procession. They say go home. You go and lock toll gate. The problem is nobody tells you people the truth. Nobody tells you the truth. You want the people that will sit down with you and lie to you. You want the people that will sit down with you and rub your head inside the foolishness that you are doing. What are you protesting in the middle of the night? Is it that the customers for Olosho have reduced? Or Yahoo customers have gone down? What's the protest in the middle of the night? Please explain to me. Are you expecting witches and wizards to come and join you? On a 2-day quick vex. We wanted to. What are you, please first of all, what are you protesting? That a father went to bury his son on time. Go and protest in their family house now. Because inside this whole thing, the only thing I can see that is the problem is that the father ran and went to bury his son. Every other thing, we've not been told anything. What are you protesting? Papa will get picking, don't bury him. Instead of make you go to their family house, go protest. You dey protest for Lekki phase 1. Please, thank you all of you that are popping my money gun. God will bless you. Don Doll Steven, pop 3 money guns. Thank you so much. Follow my #1 gifter. If you're watching on TikTok, double click the screen. EC Andy, EC_Andy is my #1 gifter. Follow my #1 gifter. Follow my #1 gifter. Nigerians love to turn with it. Why did you need to carry it into the midnight? Someone said most of the celebrities was attacked, sir. What do you mean by most? Dotun is at home. Davido is at home. Who are the celebrities? Oh, you mean Twitter fingertip warriors that have 500,000 followers and believe they are celebrities? Please explain who are the celebrities. In as much as you people have issues and in as much as you people are mourning, you cannot mourn more than the family. Midnight crew, witches and wizards don't have work to do. Instead of them to gather under their usual plantain tree where they gather normally, they won't come gather for toll gate. And Yola Badmos is at home. Dotun is at home. Davido is at home. Why are you still there? Why are you still there? These are the Dotun MC an event with MohBad. These are the people that know MohBad one-on-one. What are you still doing there? If you want me to gather you and lie to you, let me break your heart. I will never be that person. Yabo Joe is at home. Everybody is at home. You, they toll gate. At 12 midnight, you are at the toll gate. People that are walking, going home after struggling to get petrol. One jagun kanto they fought war to get petrol. You are now making them stay because As in, it's like you people don't like to think. It's like if people think you'll be sick. They never even announce autopsy. Okay, they announced the autopsy. You're not happy with the autopsy results. They never even announce autopsy. Waiting concern toll gates inside. You see, when you people have bad intent, instead of going to protect to do candlelight procession for MohBad, when I don't do one try rope toll gate inside again. Moari gbogbo wọn wọ́n wọ shirt àwọn bọ̀tá wọ́n wọ shirt wọ́n sáré báyìí. I watched the video from front of the toll gate, in front of Lekki phase 1 gate. They were now running like this. Wọ́n sáré bíi T-Rex. Ta ló rán yín ṣe? Autopsy doesn't need to take more than a few hours. Autopsy doesn't. It is the toxicology report. What's the autopsy? They check how long does it take to check a human being? How long? A living human being? How long? If you go to hospital and they do full body check for you, how long does it take? And that one, they are not seeing your heart, too. They are not seeing your liver. They are not seeing your lungs. Autopsy, they cut open. Look at what they need to look at. Take tissue samples. It shouldn't take more than 5 hours. Hey, one baby, agility. They are spraying us tear gas. Kill and wanta. Do you know how far Muri Okola Park is to Tollgate? From Muri Okola Park, you will pass law school. You will pass 1004. You will waka before you get to. You will pass ShopRite Junction. You will pass Oriental before you reach Tollgate. I'm sorry, be T-Rex. One gown be tolo. Elon lẹ́yìn. Wọ́n pẹ́ kan tó lẹ́yìn. One tabi okere, jumping from tree to tree like squirrel. Running like turkey. Clock. Yeah, they clear out tear gas. Then some they run like T-Rex. What did you expect them to do? They finish procession. Go to your house. Alasheju, Belejanyo, Alabashi. Go to your house and sit down. Nigerians don't like the truth, and I will not indulge you in lying to you. I'm so sorry. That's not my style. I'm so sorry. If that's what you're looking for, unfortunately, you will not get it from me. Candlelight procession. How we take turn into waiting it turn into. When they look for where to party. Free party. Somebody don't turn around to let the poor breathe. Nothing concern poor here. This is let the senseless breathe. Stop suffocating the senseless. This one will be poor, not senseless. If you now if true now want protest, make una go Ikorodu, go protest. Please leave Lekki Tollgate. Nothing concern Tollgate inside. Go Graveside, go protest, go Ikorodu. When you see eyes way strong, where when I go there, go protest. Whoa. Police no go even answer you. Now the boy, one ma koko gbayin that no, ma koko donate gbogbo to wà lára yín. Gbogbo tó jẹ́ ke wúwo ke má lè sáré bí aago, bí phone, bí bàtà. Wọ́n koko gbayin lọ́wọ́ ya yín no. Orí yan wá pé. The people who organize the thing say go home. Niger man go toll gate. Where I go home. I think some of you want to live around that toll gate. Ask any medical practitioner. The autopsy does not need to take more than 4 to 8 hours. Anything between 4 and 8 hours. The other reports can take up to 4 to 8 weeks. 4 to 8 weeks. 4 to 8 weeks. The reports can take that long. But the autopsy itself, you're not supposed to take more than 4 to 8 hours. Someone say, who be the forensic pathologist? So that the forensic pathologist go tell you what you know what here, make you when I go find and go house. Right now, anybody that is working on this case is top secret. You want to ask for the forensic pathologist, so if you go carrying children for school. The day Nigerians will start to use their sense, I will kill goats. He just them a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ni máa ronú, torí yín máa pé débi pé ẹ̀ ń ronú. From that day, only me go first arrange goats for una. Let me tell you what they do is they will check the lungs. By monitoring the lungs, they will be able to tell what happened. Did he have asphyxiation? They'll check his heart. They can tell if he had a heart attack. They can tell very easily. If he was poisoned, they'll check the liver. Whatever blood samples they can take, tissue samples from the lungs, from the liver, from whatever is left. If there's no lung or liver, at the autopsy, if they did embalming and removed all those things, then maybe they'll check what they need to check, pick tissue samples from where they need to pick tissue samples from, and then the toxicology report will start. What God cannot do does not exist, people. Fire altar, people. When I not resurrect them, another one down. No. At the countdown for now. Fire altar, people. Somebody said, do you mistrust it? I don't know why I did not bet 100K with the person. By now, I've updated 100K richer. Inside this Nigerian poverty, at least 100K go day my account. When they pray for fire altar saying go resurrect, oriented daru. Una way they pray and the person where they lead una the prayer, all of them are not well. Somebody say I will resurrect him. Please, 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 please. You know where the graveyard is. Go and resurrect him. And I say, what if he wakes up now? Wake up from where? Where they don't finish autopsy. You know what it means? Say they don't finish autopsy. Where Jadan Ujari in Ronu. And I know they think. Thinking faculty need to daru. Or you need to turn on check engine. Service light or you need to come on. That's not faith. That's being a faith fool. A faith okponu. Faith daft. Now be down where una they do. Me, I they look for who go bet 100K with me. All of them say, the power of God. Which God? Which God? Somebody sits they talk, say, if you wake up. I think it's Yahweh. As in, if now me be government, I could watch that they freeze live. Anybody will type nonsense, I'll just carry out from your house the next day, go. Psychiatrist straight. Think. When I no go think. Go school. When I no go school. Now church when I they go. They say one doctor, after working for 16 hours, can't go church, in pay for church. I can't they look the matter and say, I find it hard to be sorry for religious people. You will never sleep, can't go church. And you can't get a heart attack. So I go come they cry for person we know na medical doctor to say na farmer now go understand say he no get medical sense. You will be doctor, you know waiting they happen. Instead of make you sleep from that place you go church. Make me I come they cry for you. One day you go cry that cry by yourself. I find it very hard to be sorry for religious people. I just they read that my belly will just they turn me say what kind of nonsense is this one? AOD singer who say make you cry. Your mama go cry on top you. What is sure you? Yeah, ma sukweni. To uma useless like ye bo se why. Ìwọ àti pele agbepo kò ṣe tó wúlò. Pele agbepo tí ẹ wúlò ṣe wọ́n lè fi yẹn kó gbẹ. Wọ́n lè fi yẹn kó gbẹ gan torí ìgbẹ́ ni ẹ́. Àárín dín òṣì. Ani kó kúrú ani kó ga ó dàbí go Martina. Please, you have decided that you don't want to have sense today and you will not have it. I swear, I wish I knew people's house. Some of you are intellectually unfit to live among human beings. Oriented daughter. Please, if your parents did not raise you well, don't come here. I know there is Brazilian nyash lift. Because of Nigeria, they're supposed to start Brazilian brain lift. Because the brain is made of a lot of fat. Where you can wa fat that koro epa that is inside your head, you cannot use it to think. Oh, you can pump your rato and eat dear. Not liposuction, they can have fishing up all. Instead of as they use and package yes for some people, they use package brain for some of you. Empty-headed dingbats. Go, if no horror. Oh, Ada, please come and talk to these people. I don't get their time. If I begin talk now, I go shake way for too many people. I don't vex. Ada, just come and say something small. Nigerian people will not they think. Ada, please come. Where is Samaria? I never see Samaria in many days. Oh, it's my Samaria okay. Sama baby, where are you? Samaria go they walk now.
Hello, boss.
Samaria no deal. Not gonna help me find Samaria. Samaria, dear.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, my darling?
I am fine. I was already in bed, so I need to get like a night
sleep. And come and talk to these people. I'm tired.
You should be resting, sir.
As in, Nigerians need Brazilian brain lift more than any other thing. I can't turn in. You see person go cough like mommy water. One sense no day in whole head. So Nigeria go get beer like this. One single sense no day. As in they gather 10 of them. And they put only one lizard. The lizard gets sense past the 10 of them. And then they walk up and down. Candlelight procession, turn protest. Somebody say, oh, the autopsy was so short. What do you think they were going there to do? Night vigil? Go school, and no go. When they watch African Magic too much. When I heard no feel correct. Please, other blessing, help me talk to these people.
I don't even know what to say at this point. I know that during the NSAS protest, I felt down because I was there.
But you tell me now.
Not the day it happened. I think I was down.
Ada,
it's not about me. It's not about.
For meeting, Ada, they cry. Say, let them know that I don't work with Daddy Freeze because they came to our house. They came.
Wait.
They were coming. I don't know.
Wait.
It's not for N6. I went to talk to them. Oh. Stop sending me these things. Double click the screen if you are watching on TikTok. Double click the screen. After waiting my eyes see with Ada for NSAS. One knee. No protest again for this Nigeria. Protest over. Now she be this now. I could just mind my business during the day. They look my window, say waiting they happen. I could just hear that phone call. Daddy Freeze, they just left. They came to our gate. They came. Daddy Freeze, what do we do? I was wondering why you were worried because you could just go hide behind. You could just go hide behind one block.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Okay, don't be angry. Maybe you have mango tree near the front of your house. One mango could just fall from the tree. You could just dodge behind the mango like they no go see you.
I will not.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I will not.
Sorry. Samaria, baby, where are you? They say you don't come. Will they find you up and down with torchlights? I never see Samaria. I don't reach like 2 weeks now. Samaria, now only you they work for Lagos. I say Lagos. That's why I like American people. They don't get time for protest. Say you even manage attend the candlelight. When you finish like this, they go your work. Your protest finish. The next thing at toll gate.
Yes. Ada, you supposed to find husband.
Daddy Freeze, I'm almost getting ready to go to bed.
You're almost getting ready to go to bed. Me too, I'm ready to go to bed. So just in 5 minutes,
I came home 30 minutes ago. I just had a shower, about to sleep because I'm working tomorrow morning. I have to leave very early.
Show you the see person will get work. Why this one no go to Lekki toll gate, go protest? Why she no go toll gate? Person will come home 30 minutes ago, don't bath, don't go ready sleep because another work they wait tomorrow. You are now telling me that those ones at the toll gate are not jobless. Procession don't end. One day go home. When I want go after party. The low nightclub. When I don't get money for nightclub, when I want come converge for toll gate. Whoa.
This particular one, honestly, I think I feel for Imole, yeah, but the people that went to protest, this one, for some weird reason, I didn't feel pity for them. Because Dotun announced it. After Dotun, the video spoke, everybody go home. And I think while on my show, I chatted with Fowles. I was like, hey, what's up? He was like, yeah, cool, he's home. Fowles still go home. Oluwa Dollars, I've been seeing his WhatsApp status. He posted him, I don't know what he was saying because I was on air and I could not listen, but I'll call him in the morning to find out what's up with the video. So I don't understand people. Everybody don't tell us to go house. Now I want to party.
Why are they protesting for Daddy Freeze?
Help me answer.
No, Justin, I understand that.
No, what are they protesting for? Explain to me. Make it make sense.
They use the slighted opportunity for fun.
Broad, lonely people.
That doesn't make any sense.
Explain it to me.
They're protesting for. Results is not out. They didn't say anything about manipulation in the results, and they're protesting. What are they protesting for? They get time, I beg. And I think when get time, they come out, they walk around.
I think some people here are not understanding us, but they think we are also not in support of seeking for justice.
Which
That's
justice?
Not what
Explain what the wait. Anybody that thinks we are not seeking for justice, your brain, you need a Brazilian brain lift. What is the justice? Explain what the justice. What justice are you looking for? Papa burying Peking at midnight. You want to go fight government? Waiting concern government inside.
We're asking for justice and for the circumstances behind the sudden demise. Let everything be unraveled.
Let everything be unraveled.
But they ask people to leave by 8. By past 12 midnight, people were still there. We know they hear word.
People when they fight time, opportunity where they go use come out, come make noise. Right.
We know the care word.
Branch for somewhere
house.
The remaining.
Boy,
Pastor,
you
time.
Adam.
They know they pay. They pay the house
Boy,
rent
that's
once
make
in a year,
Adam.
so
I
no
don't
problem.
Adam. He no agree come.
They don't get house rent bills to pay.
They don't get bills to pay now. People where they stay free house for their papa and mama.
I swear, upon that they pay once in a year. If you say you don't want to work for 7 months, you still do all right. Got tired for 1 month.
Leo Day Singer says, Daddy, please behave mature. Stop this your unnecessary curse and swear. Please. Did I ever tell you I'm mature? Ada, did I tell you I'm mature? I'm the most immature person you will ever meet. If you cross me, oh, my lali father, mother, they go collect. So please unfollow me if you are looking for somebody that is mature. Me, I'm a truth sayer, I'm a truth speaker, and I'm very immature, and I'm very petty. Let me tell you. And I'm very toxic. So please unfollow me. I know they find follower. Unfollow me. Thank you very much. All of you saying add me, add me, add me. Did not send me requests. I should come and be typing your name one by one. And una no go bear better name. Una no go enter name like Ada Blessing or Sama. Una go add like 15 number. Some people hand to be like recharge card. The number go long. Some people they put their BVN for their username. You can't the one that say no people. Daddy Freeze, add me. Did you send me request? I should come and be typing your name that looks like your jam registration number.
Someone saying that the people that what's the person type? The person that surrounds the guy work with the government name.
I just like bringing government inside anything. Prove it first.
Government and Jesus.
Jesus, God, and government. Every conversation. They don't say they go resurrect them now. They pray for fire altar.
After autopsy, no.
And then they go the dragon and NPD. What's it that?
NPDP. I don't forget what they call themselves.
When I read that thing, that's the funniest thing I've seen this year. Which kind of thing?
As the people not get sense. Me, I even bet them 100 naira. Me, I for chop better money this night.
So while we all await the results to be out, let's not spread false news. Nobody was shocked. Nobody. My friend Pondit was there.
I saw a video of a girl on Tinder. A girl with a GSW on her leg that they backed. Is that not? Didn't it just happen?
Help me ask the girl where she was. Was she inside her father's house?
Pondit was there now. He was streaming live. Nobody was shocked. They just wanted them to leave the toll gate so that it will not be hijacked. And I think they did the right thing, because if people had stayed there till about 12:12, maybe it would have turned into something else. All this doubt, some people would have capitalized on that and then start robbing, start harassing people and stuff. So
let me tell you something. Ada is a living witness. She don't experience this thing before. She know they use her and play. She know as they be for body. Ada. She knows say na me she go call. Daddy Freeze, they have come again.
Let me tell you, I think by 2 Daddy Freeze chatted me up. And then you go protest. I'm like, no.
I woke up and I slept a bit, and I just woke up and I heard they are tear gassing people. I said, what? This people have started this foolishness in the middle of the night. Where were you people? I can't the one that say, I can't say Doctor say make everybody go house, they no agree go. I say, oh. Then Waleri, you on touch like they find something, you don't see them. Something with the inside darkness, they you on touch like they look for them. You don't come see as it be now. One girl said it was just a peaceful protest. Peaceful protest for midnight. Are you protesting to witches and wizards?
A God.
What are they protesting for? The result is not out. It's not like it was falsified. So what? What's the essence
At
of
this
the
rate,
protest?
I'm worried that any result
If
to come
there's
out, they will protest because they are not happy with the
complication.
result.
Manipulation, exactly.
I just wonder why we do our own things differently in Lagos. Every state they've protested, nothing happened.
Nothing.
Lagos.
Some, even police, they lead the protest, but we know they hear word. Which one be midnight protest? Please, make it make sense to me, Ada. I know you are smarter than me. Make it make sense.
No. After that experience, no.
And there you go.
NSAS. This one now was at work.
There was a protest, or there was a candlelight procession, or an after party of the candlelight procession at 12 midnight at the toll gate. Explain to me why the government will not tear gas everybody to go home.
And imagine the traffic they must have caused.
Can you imagine? Inside where fuel no day, safety no day, security no day.
Where people they vex join.
But there were police officials there.
Imagine the stress of being on the traffic for some protest after work.
It's just for a day, so.
It wasn't necessary.
So, Samaria, what is your take on the whole matter? Like, I just realized I've not even asked you since.
And if there's anything concerned Nigeria like this now, my head just very tired. I'm not stressing.
And I don't blame you. You have work early in the morning. If not, it's even me. Will you have even come live?
I wake up because I wait for pizza while I order, make the delivery up.
You want chop pizza this night? Are you
no,
watching
not for me, from my girl. Not hell no, not me, never. I won't put my shades at the freeze. I dare not.
No spoil.
I don't eat pizza. Me self that they eat pizza the normal.
Why?
Because of cheese. Anything that contains cheese, I don't eat it.
Why?
Because of my tummy. I don't want to grow tummy.
Oh, you don't want to grow tummy.
I don't want my tummy to grow.
But it's not cheese that will grow. Now that bread, where did that pizza? That flour.
I know all of them join with the cheese, everything in it.
Me, I can eat pizza, but if I eat pizza, that's all I'm eating that day. If I don't chop pizza like this, finish. I know they chop anything else that day. Now, meal for the day.
You're a man. Your metabolism rate is different from mine. I used to enjoy those things, but I don't eat them no more. In a couple of years, I crave them, but I don't.
No, me, I'm more worried about the bread, the rice. I watched one guy eat rice, and I saw how his blood sugar spiked from a plate of rice. For me, rice, all those things. You dey chop ever? Like you dey chop ever?
I eat oatmeal.
Oatmeal is relatively okay, but do you eat small quantity
of
oatmeal?
If I go first,
let me tell you, man.
Oatmeal?
Instead of make you chop one big oatmeal like this, it better make you chop small level. It better make you chop small level. Because some people go and eat oatmeal believing that because it's healthy, they can eat plenty of it. One day, you are doing yourself.
But it's fiber, but it's just little that I eat if I must eat swallow.
Yes, eat little. Train your stomach. You are not a carpenter. You are not a bricklayer.
You're right. Well, Dr. Freeze, you see how I know fats are good. Sometimes you use fats to burn fats, but then regardless, you see how solid cheese can be when it's solidified. It takes a lot before it melts. Imagine that thing in my system. I need some for energy, but I think bread and the rest of them will do that work for me. No cheese.
Oatmeal, they say, is fine. No? So eat the oatmeal. I had oatmeal yesterday. Me and Taste Boys shared one wrap. They made 2 wraps.
You can do plantain as well, unripe plantain.
Whatever you do half a wrap. That's all the starch you need in a day. You will not be bricklayer. We know they dig. Nobody say they dig grave. They dig well.
You know, our forefathers ate those things because they were going to the farm.
They were going to the farm. They were climbing trees.
They were climbing. They
were riding bicycle with their palm wine to go and sell it in the next village.
Bless you. That's true.
You chop. I see one guy. If you see the rice we order for ShopRite, I just they look the rice. The reach make my whole family chop. Because the other hand they go. I look at this guy, see him belly, the belly big for in front like this. I say, a mess food this whole
Funny thing
belly.
is that they will combine the fried rice and then the jollof rice.
And then they will drink Coke.
And then they will add Coke.
You will not drink one bottle of Coke.
The animal skin, you know that one, is it ganda or whatever?
That one is even
That
good
one,
because
that's
it will
starch.
fill your stomach and it has no nourishment.
Fiber.
So if you don't fill your belly, you go full. Me, I like pomo. I don't see why pomo is not good.
Starch.
Pomo no be starch, oh. Nah, nothing. You know, just you go, it's sweet and it go full your belly. So I'm 100% for pomo. It makes sense to me.
But that one they speak if you make uba with it or make certain
Now the problem with uba, should be uba na natural salad. I mean,
African salad.
African salad. Na cassava flakes that they use one. It's very high in sugar.
That's right. Carbs, end products. Glucose,
African salad.
sugar.
If I chop, you know what my Nigerian problem? Ah, God. I know a family member that is diabetic. When I saw her lifestyle, I understood why. They go order burger as they go home, and they go to chop the burger for moto. When they reach home, they will now order. They will now eat a bar. Because that burger na like snack. Me, way if I go eat burger, I go chop the burger, no go chop the fries.
Same here. I don't eat fries as well.
I love fries. I love the taste of
I
fries.
know it.
But you go and eat burger, you now eat fries. Then you now drink Coke. Then you now go on treadmill. Oh, you'll be treading the meal forever. Somebody here is a very big culprit. Oh, they chop the burger, finish, they must chop the fries.
The ones that eat fried and so
The last time DF and I went out, DF was like, I didn't see your throat. They have fries, you know, go chop.
Yes, it was me, Femi, and Ada. Femi chopping burger, JJ leave the fries. Ada, I did the fry.
Nah.
You know what I do for my children? I have a benchmark for their sugar.
Not now anymore.
Eh?
Hmm?
I have a benchmark for my
used to
children's
like those
sugar.
things.
Once I test their sugar is above that, immediately we cut. Everybody go to chop shawarma, you know go chop. So the only way to keep your sugar level is watch what you eat and do exercise. So if we
But if shawarma is even better because at least the veggies
the veggies go inside. The only problem with shawarma is that
just that they
sauce.
put a lot of cream.
That cream.
Mm?
But guess what?
Yeah,
Shawarma
they
is
put a
actually
lot.
better than rice. It's better than eba.
I think Eba has 90. We checked it that day now. I
On the
think 90
glycemic
something.
index. Eba
Then
is worse
someone
than
said
rice.
someone said
Yeah.
he feels attacked. That thank you for the advice.
Who?
I don't know.
Please don't feel attacked too.
Now they're asking you how about Semo.
The mole is about 85.
Okay, well, then if you
Semo is not
lecture them
good.
on food now.
Eba
Semo
is
is
not
about-
good. Pounded yam is not good. Now, if
Fufu
you
is
must
terrible.
if you must eat
Fufu
it, see if you must
is
eat
the
pounded
worst.
yam, eat it like this.
How
This
do I
portion
get
like
it?
this. Three, one. Now order plenty soup. So if you pack that small pounded yam, use and pack many soup. Carry the second
More
one.
soup.
Use and pack many soups.
Mm-hmm.
By the time you carry the third one, the soup plate don't
It's
empty, you don't belly full.
Mm-hmm. The way Jevinique, I don't know if they still do that. The way they were packing their soup those days, they would put a lot of soup and little swallow.
Someone said Gary is better. They play.
They play.
Fufu too is not good though.
Someone say Uba no be abacha. Oh. Uba, but what they use do Uba and the same thing they use do abacha now.
No, that they're not the same.
Uba is that brownish or something.
Uba is different. Abacha is from the fufu, like cassava.
Uba is
But
made
Uba
from
is
cassava.
No. Uba
No.
is that black thing that comes from trees. It falls from trees.
It has
When there is enough sun, then they kind of explode and then it falls. Then when you pick them up, you clean them up and then you slice them and you cook them. You wrap them to decay to an extent. It depends what you would like to use them for. Is it for cooking or just for abacha like? So whichever one you want it to be used for, that's what you prepare it for. Uba is highly proteinous, if you ask me. That's why it's expensive.
I don't know. I'll ask taste buds. Now they are food. Now they are village food.
People.
Everybody.
Oil bean seed, yeah.
Oil bean
that's what it's
seed,
called.
yes.
Right.
Oh, that's good. Akara is good. Akara is okay.
Akara is good.
Problem.
At least from beans.
All right, my lovely people, thank you all for hanging out with me. I'm tired. I'll see you all tomorrow. Ada, God bless you. Samaria, I've not talked to you in a while. I will call you. Take care of my daughter. One day I talked to Samaria for phone. Now Samaria daughter see me, said, Daddy. Samaria called the correct and say, no, this is not your daddy. People say, no, Daddy.
I said, no, let's forget you. Oh, kids, tell me something next.
Samaria, congrats on your Benz. They are greeting you. Congrats.
Benz, na old, na new car. Now the fees are back. Keep this.
Congrats. People, they rejoice with you. Rejoice back.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody. See you all tomorrow.
Okay.
Ada,
Have a good night.
See you tomorrow and Saturday. God bless.
Bye.